If you have 30 days left for your IGCSE Computer Science exams, you don't need more studying. You need a high efficiency execution plan. I'm Divansh Rathi, and today I'm going to give you the exact 1 month roadmap to an A-star, the hidden weightage of every chapter, and the topper's hack for revision. This isn't just about reading. It's about optimizing your internal logic to match exactly what the examiners are looking for. Let's dive into the data. Before we start the roadmap, we need to identify the high value variables in your syllabus. Master these 5 topics first, as they form the massive foundation of your final grade. Paper 1 Theory. Topic 1 is data representation, covering binary, hex, and compression. It's the most mathematically certain part of the paper. Topic 3 is hardware, where you must focus on the von Neumann model and how sensors or actuators interface with the real world. Topic 5 is the internet and its uses, requiring you to know encryption protocols and how data travels through a network. This is a huge mark earner in modern papers. Paper 2. Topic 7 is algorithm design and problem solving. This is the final boss where trace tables, flow charts, and pseudocode live. Topic 8 is programming, where understanding how to translate a concept into a working loop is essential for the high mark scenario question. Roadmap. Phase 1 is about identifying your logic glitches through topical saturation. First, use 2026 updated questions and solve every subtopic to find where your understanding fails. If you want 2026 updated questions, you can find the link in the pinned comment. Second, get a physical printout of the syllabus and highlight every topic you struggle with in red. This becomes your war map for the month. Third, use the best resources. I rank physics and maths tutor first for high-speed drills, PapersByTopic second for niche subsections, and PapaCambridge third for checking historic mark schemes. Finally, keep a repeat list file for questions that appear in almost every paper. If you see it twice, it's a logic constant you must memorize. Phase 2, day 16 to 28. Now we move from theory to full exam simulation. Always take physical printouts because solving on a laptop is a focus leak. You need the feel of the real exam. Use a timer to strictly match the real exam duration so you don't struggle with time management later like I did. When you check your work, follow the 4-read rule. Write the correct answer from the mark scheme by hand and read it 3 to 4 times until you internalize the specific keywords Cambridge wants. Keep every paper in a physical file immediately after solving so you have a complete archive to review in the final 48 hours. The final 48 hours. They are for high-level pattern recognition. Look for patterns in your topical questions to see which subtopics are most frequently assessed. Resolve every single repeat question from your list to ensure those marks are logged in. Attempt past papers only if time remains, but focus primarily on the questions from the first 4 units, as these provide the highest return on investment for your time. What to expect in final paper? For paper 1, expect topic 1 to carry 19 marks, topic 2 at 11 marks, topic 3 at 14 marks, topic 4 at 8 marks, topic 5 at 13 marks, and topic 6 at 10 marks. Master topic 1 first to secure those 19 marks. For paper 2, topic 7 is the monster at 43 marks. If you fail this, you fail the paper. Topic 8 is predicted at 14 marks, topic 9 at 10 marks, and topic 10 at 8 marks. 30 days is more than enough time to rewire your brain for an A-star. If you have any specific doubts about a logic gate or a pseudocode loop, comment below. I am the Maths and Science Genius, and I will be replying as soon as possible to make sure you are ready. Subscribe to join the journey to A star. Now get to your desk and start day 1.